Today, we're creating a bestseller design, but we're not starting from scratch. Instead, I'm heading to the stock templates and choosing a pre-made design as my base. This is such a time saver, and honestly, it's a great way to push your creativity because you're transforming something instead of building from zero. First thing I do is remove any elements I know I won't use. I just want to clear some space so I can actually see what I'm working with and have room to play around. From here, I'm mostly editing the layout. I'm moving text around, switching sections, and reusing the elements that are already there, just in a different way. You'd be surprised how different a design can look just by rearranging things. I'm also adjusting little details, like making some text bigger and fixing the spacing. For this one, I really want the castle to be the main focus, so I'm making it bigger and creating space around it so everything else supports it instead of competing with it. To finish it off, I'm adding a second color, just a subtle touch. And of course, I'm double checking that everything is aligned and balanced before calling it done. And that's it. Same base template, completely different feel. If you've been thinking about selling pre-made template designs, don't overthink it. Choose one today, customize it, and watch how quickly it becomes your own.